In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on Adobe Photoshop app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up Adobe Photoshop and you can see what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make this larger and easier to read, what we can do is head back and then we want to click into our settings app. Once we're inside settings, you want to scroll down and tap into display. And once again, once we're in display, scroll down and click into font size and style. And at the bottom of the page of font size and style, you're going to see a slider under where it says font size. If I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size by that amount. And likewise, if I move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So I suggest keeping the slider near the right hand side. You can have a play around with it and just set it to where you want your font size to be. Once you're happy with that decision, go back to Adobe Photoshop and your font size will be changed accordingly. If you make it too large, it might make it a bit crazy to read. It's a bit, all over the shot. So you just have a play around that slider so it's easy to read, but it's not all like this, I guess. Because it's not even, it's photo can't even fit on the, and video can't fit on the one line.